Hi lovely people, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel if you're a returning viewer, and very warm welcome if you are new here. You're joining me for my April setup video featuring the Cocoa Daisy Poppy Fields collection.
When you need colour, when you need light, when you need a rainbow shining bright, when it's overwhelming with all of your to-dos, go grab a sticker, it'll help you through. Get it from EllieBeth Designs, 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 EllieBeth Designs.
So as I always say on these videos, I am part of the Cocoa Daisy design team. That means that I receive my kits as part of my design team package or at reduced cost, so just to be upfront about that. However, as usual, and also if you've been here before, you will know that all opinions are my own. So I have been really enjoying having my planner and journal set up together in one binder, which I'm going to share with you. I also have my pouch and zippered sticker pocket to share with you too, and I will just go through those quickly first of all. So this beautiful pouch came in the kit this month, features the beautiful artwork of Olga Kutel, who is Ola Design on Instagram and is a new artist to a Cocoa Daisy collaboration, and I absolutely love this this artwork. I think it's beautiful. Just the concept of it really, yeah, it really speaks to me as well, and I've just found it really interesting to think about as I've been setting up my planner. So this pouch has my bits and pieces that I need throughout the month in, pretty much the usual stuff: photo printer, spare paper, ruler, glue pens, highlighters, as the mild liner. I think this one came in the kit this month. Pencil, that's actually from can't remember which one that's from. I think it's from a couple of years ago though, so I like to have a pencil on hand, and so that just holds all of those. I also throw in my washi tape from time to time in that too, and then my zippered sticker folder, which I cannot pronounce, or pocket, has got a charm on that I purchased last year to go with the Tulip Time collection, and I felt that it also went with this one. Again, shops will be linked in my description box down below. And I popped in one of the April dashboards just to sit under there, and then I've just got my stickers tucked in there. I found I had a sheet of these also left from Tulip Time last year, which were in the classified planner kit, and because that I think was the box that went to Japan at the time when the pandemic was causing all kinds of postal disruptions. I think my box took a little. It was far better travelled than I have ever been, or probably ever will be. But I had these left over and I thought, oh, the colours kind of go with Poppy Fields, so I shall throw them in and use them this month. Let's put that so that hopefully reflection isn't catching too much in the lights. So for my actual planner this month, I am using a Foxy Fix personal rings in Sugar Cupcake. It is such a beautiful colour, this, and I love the idea of putting the blue with the reds and the greens. And on the front it says blessed in silver hollow foil. It has my usual butterfly on the spine, which I always chose if I could. And I just have an ollie clip on the front, which you will see the purpose of in a moment. And down the bottom I have these little planner charms. It's actually a bookmark, but I just sort of looped it through. And this is from Hearts by Emma, and again I just felt that it kind of suited this style of the kit. So my Ollie clip is doing a very important job in that it allows me to flick straight to here, which is my personal dory. So I'm using one of the Foxy Fix, what did they call them? Ring converters? I'm not sure if that's the right word. I think that's what they called it. And I have on that then, I have the dory, and I have a dashboard set up with various bits and bobs, including Simon, who's saving bus fare apparently this month. And I popped on a pen holder which holds my fountain pen. On the back I've got my little calendar at a glance, the kit card, and yeah. So let me just pull the dory out and show you kind of my intentions for, there you go, it's pinged, never mind, that's fine. Everything is fine. Oh, I sound like the Good Place, don't I? Everything is fine. Normally it held on really well last month, and I think it's because I was using a spice leather binder, which is a lot thinner than the sugar leather. So let's have a look in here. So this is, let's say, my personal dory, which has my journaling and things in. I'm just going to move things around so you're not getting nasty reflections that are just, you know, unpleasant to have on screen, aren't they? They're not best things to look at. So in here I have my journaling and little bits about the day and other spaces for you know, just writing really. I use some of the dashboards and papers to cover the cover and on the back here I just did a little folded piece so that I could slip in any papers, memorabilia and things throughout the month. And then the inside front has got that one with the Earth Laughs in Flowers, which I thought just went beautifully with this. It almost looked like it was made to fit there. I like having the April stories at the top here, and I did that in March as well, rather than having the script April, although it's lovely. This is going to be a spot to track my mood, and usually I pop a key in there, but I've reached a point where I know what I know. I know what I mean. On the front cover I used some of the little cardstock clouds that came in the Modern Memory Keeping kit. I have used quite a lot of washi down the spine, and you can see it is lifting a little bit. I have had to glue it. There was a post in the Facebook group where Christine just explained that they had to change manufacturers for their washi, so and people were asked what they thought about that. It doesn't really bother me having to grab the glue out for something, because I mean, to be honest, this is quite a, you know, this is quite a harsh use of washi. You know, I'm making my washi work hard to hold the spine of an entire book, rather than just be a bit of decoration on a page, so that's absolutely fine with me. I added some glitter dots to the centre of the flowers because that's the thing that I like to do. And then as we come inside, we have got the pages as we go. I've added some die cuts, but this is going to be where I pop in my sort of monthly overview and goals. And I've gone through and dated the pages. I use them going across like this. And what I've been doing in March was to have one side that I put the journal prompts on for the Cocoa Daisy Journaling Challenge. And I'll show you a little bit more about that in a moment. But I've just gone through and added some decoration to the pages, washi tape here and there, and yeah, just dated it. I've got a spring to-do list, spring cleaning, and I popped in little tabs at the top. And then I have my double page here, which I've been doing like a line a day, or sort of, you know, a highlight or even a low light of each day, just to look back on, which is really nice. A couple of blank pages, and then again we're getting back into the dated pages, and this will fill up as the month goes on. It's not something that I do tons on in advance, because then I don't get to do it in the month, so I do like to wait. This is the A6 card that came in the planner add-on, and I've trimmed it down very slightly, and what I've done is then added on the back the Cocoa Daisy Journal Challenge, which I printed off. I have also used one of the doilies here because I just thought it looked so pretty with this kind of background there. And then the washi stripes down here and a couple of die cuts and just a little reflect sticker. So I think that's really, really cute. It makes a great pencil board, which as my dory fills up, I do tend to need. So let me slip this back into its little spot. Normally, as the week goes on, I actually don't bother putting this on the elastic. I just tuck it in because, you know, I know it's there and it's not like it's got to travel anywhere, my planner at the moment. Not that it ever really did. You know, working from home, that's how it goes. So in my actual planner then, I've got my usual acetate on the front with the when in doubt caffeinate, which is getting a little bit worn now, but is nevertheless still very true. I've stuck with the wider dividers this month as well, which I've been doing for a few months now, and I really like the effect. So this front one holds my kind of inbox area. I've put April goals, but I know that it's my inbox. You know, it's one of those. It kind of, the title doesn't always match up. And I printed off some of the free printables to use just as note paper and, you know, listing and things. Then we come to my trackers section, and for this dashboard I trimmed down the April one and I tried to fussy cut around here and then just mounted it onto a different paper. And I'm sure there was something that I thought I was going to do and I missed a trick with, and I can't remember what it was. No, can't remember. I think I had thought about fussy cutting the whole lot, but yeah. Oh, I remember what I thought I should have done was to actually not stick this down at the top and make it into a pocket so I could slip note paper, because I've actually paper clipped my note paper in here. That was it. I've then got the planner challenge there. I've got like checklists and different things that I need throughout the month. And then we come on to a new section, which is my personal notes section. I love this card. It made me chuckle so much, especially as the other day we literally had all of that weather plus hail. You know, it's just so funny. On the back of this divider, I've got my Betty with her coffee suggestions, and I have actually just taken a mouthful of coffee, so she's quite wise. And I pulled out some of the tulip time things that I had left from last year, just to sort of make and add to a bit of a planner routine and things that I wanted to be doing on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. Things that I'm kind of adding in for wellness and sort of weekly tasks, daily things, reflection. So yeah, I just had quite a bit of fun adding that page in, really. Yeah, so that's that. Got some health notes, and then we come into my monthly section. Again, glitter dots, and how pretty do they look on there? Oh, love them so much. Life without glitter dots would be very sad indeed. I did have my March section in here as well, because the benefit of having the wider dividers, I feel like I should trademark that phrase, is that it covers the tabs for the months as well. So coming into April, we've got some bits and bobs on here. I made these little divider page markery type things using the cloud acetates that were in, I think, the Modern Memory Keeping kit. And then the monthly, daily and weekly are actually the arrows that had like weekly tasks on, and I just cut them down and added them on, laminated the whole lot, and there we go. Bob is your uncle. And for the second time today I'm going to say yes, he is, because I have an Uncle Robert who likes to be known as Bob. Ah yes, I've got the odd bit of March in here for reasons I shall explain in a moment. So I really like the way that they just sit up the top, and we've got like the clouds at the top of the planner. I thought that looked quite cute. So I'm going to turn to a new week, and yeah, what happened was in my kit I only had 4 of these striped pages instead of 5. obviously there's just a little hiccup with them, so I ended up leaving 1 week as being half and half. So it's partly the Rainforest collection, the name of which has currently escaped me. Treetop Canopy, there we go, got it. And then it flicks into Poppy Fields. I made these tabs along the side here from the free printables, where I just cut them, the mirror images, and stuck them back to back. And I've just added in the odd little bit to the striped pages from some of the Wordfetti or some of the stamps that came in the memory keeping kit. I like that one there, just sort of hiding. So my setup is the weekly pages. This is then going to be set up to give me a weekly overview, and then I decided to stamp everything this month. Oh my goodness me, yes, Rachel has been stamping. So the daily pages have got a new layout from now on, it seems, which is great, because they're really open-ended now, and you can kind of add what you want to them. And there was a wonderful stamp set which, oh, forgive me, crashing about here, trying to grab the stamp set, you see, which was part of an offer, and I received a sample one, which is why mine's all sort of all over the place, because I rearranged everything, that has different things like family schedule, call, email, to-do list, medicine tracker, and all the days. So there's that one, which is where I got the numbers from. And there is also in the kit this one of the days of the week, which is what I've used to stamp all my days, and then I used the numbers from this to add in the numbers. Now, I am not a big stamper, I say this all the time, but I really like how this came together. And actually it didn't take me that long to do. I just kind of went through, stamped day on everything, and the ink was a Cocoa Daisy one from I think October or November last year, can't quite remember which month it was, and then I just went through and did all the like start of the day name in sets as well. So that is my kind of plannery bit. Then just showing you the last couple of dividers. We've got the month at a glance, I did the bow there, and then my notes section, which I really like. I really like this this dashboard with these sort of florals on, really pretty. Right at the back, I just popped in April. I of course have Simon, and I pulled out this from Tulip Time last year, the butterfly washi or sticky note card, just because I thought it looked rather cute. So there we go, that is my planner and journal setup for April. I hope you've enjoyed that little look through. I wonder, have you made any changes to your setup this month? Is there anything new you've tried? You know, for me it was the stamping, and having moved to keeping everything all in one place at the moment. Let me know in the comments down below. And as ever, if you are interested in subscribing to Cocoa Daisy, you can leave my name as the referrer on your order, and you as a brand new subscriber, and you will receive some money to spend in the Cocoa Daisy store, which is not to be sniffed at, is it really? Until next time, lovely people, take care of yourselves, and bye for now. And sticker pocket, zippered sticker pocket, zipper sticker wallet, zippered sticker thing. Oh dear, I'm a professional, me. I also have my pouch and zipper stickered, I can't say it.